My son recently returned from very serious rehab.
Oh my God, you look so good!
He was a singer. He had a big hit like 3 summers ago.
She's pregnant.
I am thrilled. Lillian.
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing, Mom.
Curtis?
No!
I'm very sorry for your loss. Did you have any indication that he was using again?
No.
What killed Curtis Cooper is paramethoxyamphetamine.
If Curtis was going to use again, who would he call?
Billy's name is Taz.
What do you need?
I came to see if you could help me.
Ask me any other favor.
I'm not asking.
Those are the 3 guys who moved PMA through this city. What are you gonna do?
They have to pay.
Don't play detective. The case is closed.
The guy's really scared. Bad things are bound to happen.
Mommy dearest, huh? You're not gonna use that gun.
You should loosen up a little.
Do what you gotta do. But they'll kill you.
You get a lot of time to kill?
Now you're asking questions.
We have to be more discreet.
I think I know what I'm doing.
Curtis.
Messy situation, isn't it? Justice will be served.